Look, you guys, I'm going for anything here, okay? I cannot be a waitress anymore. I mean it. I'm sick of the lousy tips. Sick of being called excuse me.
Lousy. Lousy.
Sick of the lousy tips. Sick of being called excuse me.
Dear Ms. Green, thank you for your inquiry. However,
We have apple cinnamon.
okay, dear Ms. Green,
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
We have apple cinnamon.
okay, dear Ms. Green. Wow, what? Your visa bill is huge.
Visa. Visa.
Your visa bill is huge.
There was chocolate on the 3. It looked like an 8, all right?
Oh, God, you should have seen him. Read them and weep.
Weep. Weep.
Oh, God, you should have seen him. Read them and weep.
There just don't happen to be any women in our game.
Yeah, we just don't happen to know any women that know how to play poker.
Poker. Poker.
Yeah, we just don't happen to know any women that know how to play poker.
Oh. We got salmon roulettes and assorted crudités.
Whoa, 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 Monica, what are you doing? This is a poker game. You can't serve food with more than one syllable.
Syllable. Syllable.
This is a poker game. You can't serve food with more than one syllable.
Is it not another word for lying?
Okay, sorry to break up this party, but I've got resumes to fax before work.
Fax. Fax.
But I've got resumes to fax before work. Oh! I got an interview!
You're kidding.
I got an interview!
Where?
Saks Fifth Avenue.
Oh, Rachel.
Avenue. Avenue.
Saks Fifth Avenue.
Oh, Rachel.
Well, he may be now because I think I hit him with my car.
Oh my God, really?
No, that's bluffing. Lesson number 1.
Bluff. Bluff.
My God, really?
No, that's bluffing. Lesson number 1. Everything you hear at a poker game is pure crap. Nice earrings.
Thank you.
Earring. Earring.
Nice earrings.
Thank you.
But I think we'd like to give poker another try, shall we, ladies?
Yes, I think we should.
Rach, do you want me to shuffle those?
Shuffle. Shuffle.
Rach, do you want me to shuffle those?
All right, here's my $7.50, but I think you should know that this money is cursed.
What?
Oh, I cursed it.
Curse. Curse.
What?
Oh, I cursed it.
We will play you again, and we will win, and you will lose, and you will beg, and we will laugh, and we will take every last dime you have,
Dime. Dime.
and we will take every last dime you have.
Joker is poker with a J. Coincidence?
Coincidence. Coincidence.
Coincidence? Coincidence?
Hey, that's Joe incidents with a C.
Incidents. Incidents.
Hey, that's Joe incidents with a C.
Me too.
Me too. All right, what do you got?
Well, you better hop out of the shower, because I got a flush.
Flush. Flush.
Well, you better hop out of the shower, because I got a flush.
Well, hop back in, bucko, 'cause I got 4 sixes!
Hop. Hop.
Hop back in, bucko, 'cause I got 4 sixes!
I fold like a cheap hooker who got hit in the stomach by a fat guy with sores on his face.
Sore. sore,
A fat guy with sores on his face.
Boy, you really can't stand to lose, can you? Your whole face is getting red. Little veins popping out of your temple.
Vein, vein.
Little veins popping out of your temple.